Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Cutie Pie 88 here. So really quick, I have a little date night tonight and I wanted to recreate a look I saw here on YouTube. I'll insert a little picture of my inspo, and I thought this was super cute and I wanted to recreate it using the True and Pure Texture Relaxed Natural Ponytail. This is literally one of my favorite textures. They're relaxed natural textures. And it comes in wigs, closures, extensions, which is like bundles, clip-ins, ponytails. They have a really good selection of this texture. But today, I will be using this True and Pure Texture Relaxed Natural Drawstring Ponytail. It's 100% virgin hair and it's 24 inches. Literally one of my favorite pieces from their True and Pure Texture line. One of the most realistic textures ever. So I'm gonna be installing this, and I wanted to put some wand curls in it. I've wand curled the hair like as a wig or clip-ins before, but never in their ponytail. So I wanted to recreate that look and do some little wand curls with this texture as a ponytail to make a little cute little pinup style. I'm trying to take a little break from the lace wigs and stuff like that. I do wear them occasionally here and there, but I thought this would be really, really cute for tonight. So let's go ahead and pull it out the packaging. Here it is, and like I said, it's one of my favorite textures from True and Pure Texture, and look at that. Look at the texture of this hair, and it's really long. It's 24 inches, and like I said, it's a drawstring ponytail, so it has the two combs, and of course, a nice drawstring here, but it's so pretty, and it's really long. And it's really, really full. I like the volume on this. So I wanted to use this to make like a cute little pinup style, but make it a little bit easier by using a drawstring ponytail. So let's go ahead and get right into it and let's see how it comes out. All right, so the base for this style is super simple. I just used a little bit of edge control and other products to just slick up my hair in a bun, and I made sure to leave out two bang pieces in the front. Here is a unit, and I forgot to mention this hair has been washed and used several times, and it looks brand new, like it's out of the pack brand new. So great hair. But yes, here we go. So I just went ahead and put the drawstring ponytail on my little bun in the back. It could not get any easier. Very simple. Be sure to secure the end of that drawstring. When you wrap it around, just secure the end. And like I was almost ready to go, just like this. But look how the texture matches my own. I am a relaxed girl, but I still love rocking this texture. It still blends very good with my hair texture, even though I am relaxed. It's still some texture in there, so it looks really good against it. So right here, I am just grabbing my curling wand and I'm going to make some really simple, loose curls, but I figured I didn't want them hanging too long because gravity would come into play and then it'll elongate the curls a little bit too much. So what I'm doing, I'm just putting anything I can find to pin up the hair so it lets the hair cool off in the curled position. That way the curls will last and be a little bit firmer, and because I wanted them fairly tight. So I'm using bobby pins and like metal clips, plastic clips, anything I can find to go ahead and pin the curls up. And legit, when I'm done pinning it up, it looks like I can wear that pinup style out. It actually turned out really cute. I was like, ooh, this pinup style looks kind of cute. Like I'm gonna have to recreate actual pinup style with this hair texture. It is so pretty. It's giving like wedding or special event. Very, very pretty. But moving on, so I went ahead and curled and pinned up all the hair in the back, and then I'm just using my curling wand to curl the two pieces of my own hair in the front, and that's all that I'm leaving out, you guys, are these two pieces. And look how fast this style was. Of course, it's going to be a little bit not time consuming curling a ponytail, but you can always curl the ponytail before putting it on your head, like pre-planning it, like prepping it. You can put it on your mannequin head, pin it on the mannequin head, and go ahead and wand curl it that way. So when you put it on, it's already curled and good to go. That will save you some time. And y'all, that's my motto for the year, saving time. I'm in a time in my life that everything is moving fast. Work, I got kids. I need a quick style like this using simple pieces that I can reuse, pieces that have longevity, and it just fits in. Like styles like this really fit into my life and I'm loving it. Like I said, I've had this ponytail for a few months now. It's maybe actually a year, and this ponytail looks brand new. I really feel like I'm learning to invest in really good quality hair pieces as I get older. And like I said, hair pieces like this fit into my life so quick, so easy. And it doesn't take that much effort and that much time to think about the styles that you want to do. So simple. Maybe pull up an inspo pic and that's it. But moving on. So here are the curls. This is how it came out. It's looking so pretty, exactly how I imagine it. Now, I was kind of stumped on how to make it stand up and be so big, but I said, you know what, let me just get a claw clip. Now, if you have a black one, definitely use a black one so you won't be able to see it. I'm going to turn around in a minute so y'all can see the back, but the only one I had was a tan one, but it's still okay if you can see the tan clip in the back. Still super cute, and I'm just using some bobby pins to kind of make the curls sit up more. And I didn't want to pull out my bangs with my fingers, so I used the back of my rat tail comb. And you guys, here is the style. Isn't it so cute? It's giving date night. It's giving anniversary dinner. It's just so pretty and elegant. So as you can see the little clip, and it's kind of lopsided. I don't know why I always put it lopsided, but this is the final look, and it's giving spring, summer, special event. Oh my gosh, natural girls, relaxed girls. Anybody can wear this texture and rock it, and that's why I love it so much. And let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. I love reading your comments and answering your questions. So leave a comment down below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and the link to this ponytail will be down below. And be sure to use my coupon code to get 10% off the entire True and Pure Texture site. Okay, you guys, also follow me on my socials, cutie-pie88 and _cutie-pie88. Thanks True and Pure Texture for this amazing ponytail, and see you guys later. Be sure to subscribe. Bye y'all.